A warm greeting to one and all. Dear student, I am Dr. S.B. Kishor, Head of Department of Computer Science, Sardar Patel Mahavidyalaya, Chandrapur, coming to your college, Adarsh Kala Vanijya Vignan Mahavidyalaya Desaiganj on 7th February at 10 a.m. During the sessions of mine, we are going to discuss a lot of things. We will start with the importance of communication in today's life. Then we will discuss how to prepare or how to build a resume as per the industry's need in ATS format. Then we will discuss about the new latest AI model on DeepSeek. Using this, how we can build our resume very well. And finally, you will learn the importance of PowerPoint during the presentation. So be ready on 7th Feb. We are going to meet at 10 a.m. in your college. Thank you very much.